Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out these wound closure strips, and MyHelp was nice enough to send these over to us for us to check out. Comes in a nice little box like this. It does include some instructions, so if you aren't quite sure how to use these, this will break it all down for you. You get quite a bit of stuff in here. You're going to get all the closure strips as well as some wound dressing and also some alcohol prep pads on here as well. So multiple different sizes of these strips right here. As you can see right there, that one's pretty large. This one's kind of the longer one. And then these ones here, you have like a mid-size, a smaller one as well. I put them on their back because you can see them a lot easier. And then you're gonna have some of the 4x4 adhesive wound dressing. Right there you go, that's what it looks like. And then you're gonna have a little bit of the smaller one right here. This is going to be the 3x4 inch. And let's go ahead and open one of these adjustable ones up so we can kind of see how to play with it. I think these operate pretty much exactly the same. Let's go ahead and open this one up here. All right, so we have the piece right here, and let's see, right there we go. We just pulled that off, and that's the sticky piece right there. And you're just going to place this like on your skin, and that adhesive is pretty sticky, but then you're also going to put the wound dressing over this. And then these little things right here, you just pull them. It's probably easier if you have two people, yourself and then another person to help with this, because you got to kind of pull these at the same time. Or if I could, it sticks on there pretty well. If I could put this somewhere to where I can grip it with both, or I can just show it to you right here. But then you pull these and it's going to close up that wound. There you go. So that's how you work that. And then you will cut these little extra pieces off, and then you're going to apply the dressing here. That's got a lot of stickiness on it too. You would apply that over that right there, and that is how you would use it. So really cool thing right here from MyHelp, these wound closures. If you're interested in something like this, like I said, whole bunch of a different assortment right here. Go ahead and check it out. Very sticky right there.